Okay guys, away we go. Here we go with Neptunes. World famous Neptunes. The TV programme. It doesn't look anything like that in there, but there you go. Did we expect it to? And Morgan's Tavern. It's all one bar, so yep. There's some good acts on in there, and they put acts on there all year round. Got the last stop, food, karaoke.
8 acts a night at Morgan's.
Yeah, 8 acts a night. They might go down to 7, maybe 6 over, January time, the winter. Waikiki. They have shows on in there.
First time you filmed that with Johnny Always.
Yeah, Johnny Always is usually in there. I thought there was something missing. We'll show you the best spot in Benidorm now. Look at that, guys. Hey, that's worth coming to Benidorm, isn't it?
No.
Blue and white pop. You probably know why that is, if you know me. Big West Brom fan, of course. Music going off in the background. I'm bound to get copyright on this bit. Rudolph Hotel. It's just been done out last year. And they made a fantastic job of it from the outside. Again, let me know if you've stopped in there since I've redone it. Got a little scooter bay down here. I think they've got charger points. I'm not absolutely sure. Yeah.
Not many though, so I mean...
Not too many, but...
It's quite
you swap them out, don't you?
Got a small charging area though, so I mean...
You've got the Ambassador Player 1 over there. It doesn't actually say Player 1 now, does it? It's just like...
Hotel Ambassador Player 1.
Oh yeah, couldn't see it. Too big, I couldn't see it. Got a few scooters outside there. I don't think they've got charging points.
Should have gone to Specsavers.
Aye. It's a long walk now though, Marcus. Some great bars down there. Black chicken and stuff. And they all
Not pin to pop off, mate.
In Times Square. We've got John and Joseph next. I think it is still John. I think it is still John and Joseph. That's what they're advertising on Facebook the other day. And JJ's the other side. Great place to eat, JJ's. We're gonna have to go in and find out. I've been in there for a while, so a lot of music going on at the moment, and your food bars, of course. Used to be the one I used. Use that one a lot. Right, you can't use them all the time. They won't give you deals all the time, so I use the one up on the corner now. The Western Saloon Bar there. Redone a couple of years ago, made a brilliant job of it. Looks like they do something else in there now. Did do a short not so long back with guy swinging on the beam there. Why not bar? There's a few in these bars in the day, but they're not going to get packed. Unless your handies, of course. Handies simply the best further on up. That gets packed, get a bit of sun out, that'll get packed. So yeah. Yeah, definitely doing something or other in there. At the Western Saloon. This is a great bar. Place not to go for curry. I'm not going to say too much more about that. Thought the curry was average. The rest of it was Tesco's bought. You don't want to be doing that. Wasting your money in there. Better prices for curry in Benidorm.
You mean Mercadona bought?
Oh.
Tesco's like the supermarket over here.
I was just using that because it's your UK supermarket.
Fair decent.
Hotel California there. They got a few in. It's an hotel, so. You got the Crown on the corner. Great bar. Self in there at night. It's really pumping. Insomnia.
I'm losing back.
Well, what can you say about that? I've been thrown out of there. Nigel's been thrown out of there. I think we'll leave it at that, eh? I really want customers. Get yourself up the railway or something, even better. So, a lot of music on this one. YouTube, we're not trying to feature anybody's music, we're just trying to make a video here.
Ireland first Netherlands, 2-1 to Netherlands.
Probably an old match, I would have thought, Marcus. I don't know, what? So I'm not going to go too much further down on this one. There are a lot of deliveries at the moment. One there, and one over the road. I'll just go and show you Rockefellers. Apparently Tony's back now, so had his holidays. One of my attractions. You don't get offended easily. Can't see Tony Scott. Joe Rock in there. And you've got Rockefellers over there. Is he back on the board, Marcus?
Yeah?
I think it's 10:15 he's on, usually is.
You got Saturday on top in the shape, alright?
Oh, but they are trying to tie me up already.
Yeah,
The legend of Tony Scott is back.
And
don't go if you're easily offended.
Just so you know, guys, entry to minors is prohibited in Rockefellers. No kids allowed.
He looks like you're a mask on there, doesn't he? The show's got pink there. The flood. Let's take that tribute. And Sticky Ricky later on.
They say you'll need to be quite drunk before you watch.
Last time Marcus went in, he was speechless when he come out.
First time?
Oh no, first time, not last time.
Last time it were Miles who were speechless.
We got the red line over there. Oh, I'm going to finish off here, guys. Give Marcus a chance to get a video in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.